Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2. Don't ever say again Nazi and Adolf Hitler. Don't ever say that. Understood? Don't say again Hitler and Nazis. Okay, it's understand. What are you looking at? What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Whispering with him. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Don't say again Hitler. Don't say to him to say Hitler or Nazis or this. Hey, hey. Good. Don't করিস না don't. Hey. Don't acting. What did you say? Maya. Hey. Okay. What did you say? What are you saying to him? Are you saying to Hitler and Nazis?
Joe Biden बोलते हैं. I'm saying to say Joe Biden.
Okay. I'm sorry, Sabo. Look at this face. Look at his face. Okay, today we are gonna end this series. Okay, bye.